Hey guys, Ryan, Danielle, Moron here, and I want to talk to you about my cousin Ryan Daniel Moran's new book, 12 Months to Your First $1,000,000. And it's really impressive that he's figured out how to make $1,000,000 and also how to teach others to do it. And so, because I look up to Ryan Daniel Moran so much, I've decided to create my own book called 12 Months to Lose $1,000,000. And the reason I'm writing this book is because I have a lot of experience with this topic. When I graduated college, my parents gave me a lot of money. I'm from a very wealthy family. Well, I was from a very wealthy family, and I lost almost everything that we have to the point where my parents had to come out of retirement, and they're now divorced because of the mistakes that I've made. They call me the human wedge because I've driven such a big divide in between our family. I actually don't get to talk to them anymore, but that's beyond this message. But if you would like to know what mistakes I made, you can pick up a copy of my book, 12 Months to Lose $1,000,000, at my domain, bottom1%.com, where I also sell my membership site on how to get into the bottom 1% of society, if that's something that you're interested in.